Hey everyone, David from Garage Buds. Just wanted to do a quick video. I decided to plastidip my rims, had curb rash on pretty much all my rims and wanted to give them a whole new look. So just wanted to do a quick video, take you through the process. Good little project while I'm isolating at home. Hope everyone else is safe and staying home. Bye. Here's a close-up of the curb rash that I have on the majority of my rims. As you can see, in a few cases it's particularly bad. Just wanted to give you a look. What I'll have to do next is sand all that out before we do the plastidip. First step, I'm going to use a flap sanding wheel with my Dremel tool and try to get most of this out. As you can see, it took most of the deep gouges out. I have to wipe it down, and then I'll have to hit this with some much finer sandpaper. I was using about a 220 grit on that flap wheel, and I'll go up to about a 1200 grit when I finish. Hey guys, just got my paint for painting my car rims. I'm gonna be doing it in Punisher Gray. Got the kit from Dip Your Car, and looking forward to starting that project over this weekend. So now I've washed the car, particularly with the wheels, got all the sanding done, removed the center caps, because I'm not going to plastidip those. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, you probably can see a little bit of where the sanding was done, but I've gotten as smooth as I can. So we are ready to start the painting project. Hey guys, we're gonna look at plastidipping the VW GTI rims. First step, we have this plastic that we're gonna feed through, because what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do this in place. So we need to mask off the brakes and the rotors. Make sure that we have everything really well covered. Try to make sure we're not touching the backs of each of the rim spokes. Alright, next we're going to use dip release, which came with the Dip Your Car kit. We're going to apply that to the tires. And this, apply it all the way up to the tread. Allow the dip to peel right off when we're done. Alright, next we're going to make sure, using a different rag so that we don't get dip release on the wheel, is we want to make sure our wheels are completely clean and dry. So we recommend, with this spray, spray it directly on the cloth and then clean the wheel. So I'm going to start the process section by section, making sure that the wheel is completely clean, no debris. As you probably can see, I have areas where I sanded, because I had a fair amount of curb rash on all of my wheels, unfortunately. So, which is one of the reasons I wanted to paint them. Plus, I was looking forward to the a good look. Making sure we get every nook and cranny. Has to be perfectly clean and dry for this to work. Okay, so we've actually cleaned and dried, and of course we have the dip release on the tires. So we're going to go ahead and apply the first coat, which needs to be a very light coat to get started. Okay guys, wait for 15 minutes. Gonna go ahead and put a second coat on, which just be thicker than the first one. Try to keep it on the wet edge. Starting to look good. Okay, so now we're starting on coat number 4. It's really starting to look good. I've been working on all the wheels, so just trying to get around to the same number of coats on each one. Target will be, I think, 4 or 5 coats of this, and then there'll be the graphite pearl finish that we'll put on top. Okay, we've now put on, I think, 6 coats of the base black. We're now going to do this dip pearl, which is supposed to give it a graphite metallic. I think the actual official color is Punisher Gray. So we're going to start putting 2 to 3 coats of this over the top of the black. We'll see what sort of effect that has. Okay, that's coat number 1. I'm gonna go get the other wheels. I'll see you when it's done. All right, so we have put on a total of 7 coats of paint at this point. I've let it dry. So the next thing I'm gonna do is remove the plastic. I think it looks great. It was, frankly, a lot easier than I thought it was. I want to make sure that it's not sticking anywhere. Gives it a nice look, and then we used the dip release so we can peel right off the tires. As I debated this, but I decided that I would not paint or not dip the center caps. I think that was a good decision because Really cool. With the new wheel, with the gray. I'm really pleased. I'm amazed at how not hard that was to do. So I'm going to go do the other wheels, and then I will do a quick video of the an updated of the walk around of the car. Okay, the car is done. I've removed all the plastic, all the extra paint, and here's how it looks after we are completed. I think it looks great, so much better than looking at that curb rash. And honestly, other than the prep and the sanding, which did take quite a while, the actual painting itself took me over the course of a long afternoon, and the car looks so much better. So highly recommend. Take care.